Having more gear does not make you safer. It just makes your backpack heavier, especially in the winter. I bought a €6 shovel. Looked practical, but 5 minutes into the first use, it broke. €5 crampons for ice. We were 3 people, 3 different models, and every 100 meters, clack, another crampon gone. €7 winter mattress. They don't keep you warm, they refrigerate your bag. And that is how you spend the whole night questioning your life choices. Cheap boots. They look amazing on pictures, but 1 hour into the first hike, wet feet, blisters, and regrets. Gloves. The moment they get wet, congrats, you now have decorative hands. And cheap gliders, they work perfectly at home. Outside, wind, cold, snow, nothing. No fire, no heat, just you and your tears. Here is the real problem. When you do not trust your gear, you carry backups, not 1 lighter, but 2, not 1 sleeping bag, extra clothes, etc. So you are not safer, you are just heavier and more tired. No matter how cheap or expensive your gear is, test it before heading into the nature, because learning the hard way is very heavy.